How to use Xero accounting software. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Xero accounting software for your accounting needs. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply come to Xero.com and you will land on this platform right here. Xero is world's leading accounting software that allows you to pay bills, claim expenses, add bank connections, and more. You can also create your invoices with your Xero. So let me show you how to use Xero, what are the different features we get in Xero, and how you can use Xero for your business. To get started, you will find the option right here, try Xero for free. Simply click right here. The signing up process is really easy. You get your own 30-day free trial. What you have to do is simply enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, location, and then of course check that I'm not a robot, agree to terms and services, and then you will be able to confirm and simply sign into your Xero dashboard. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and sign up. After the initial sign up, this is where you will get this is my dashboard on Xero. You simply, confirm your email address and then you will simply be able to get your 30-day free trial. So right now I have selected a, business and it is how to global. Then we have a dashboard. We have the business option that will allow me to check all of these different tools such as analytics, business snapshot, invoices. Then we have sales overview, bills to pay, purchase orders, purchase overview, expenses, claims, checks, product, and services. Then we have the accounting option, and in accounting, we will find bank accounts, reports, advanced. Then we have account transactions, balance sheet, sales tax report, and all of the others. And then, of course, we have contacts where I will be able to find all of my contacts, customers, and suppliers. So you can also go ahead and add it to your dashboard. So this is what a basic dashboard looks like. To edit your dashboard, you will find the option right here. Click on edit and then you will be able to edit it out if you want to move any kind of a tool and you want to get your visibility here. It's a simple drag and drop and you will be able to organize your dashboard the way you want to. So this is actually kind of like a very unique feature that you can drag and drop anything and organize your dashboard. Simply click on save changes and it will be saved. Let's go to business. In business, let's go to invoices. In here, we will be able to create our own professional invoices with Xero. So with Xero, we're getting our business option, accounting, and context. So this is all in one platform with all of the basic tools. So to create a new invoice, we simply click right here on new invoice. And I can simply go ahead and now create an invoice. Creating an invoice is super easy. From two, you will simply enter your context that you have already added right here. So let's say I'm going to add the name of a client. But before we create invoices, you can simply go to contact option and create new contacts. So I have added a contact right here. Now you will simply select the date. So I'm going to go with this one. Then you have to select a due date as well. So I'm going to select this date. Then we have invoice number and reference as well. After that, we have the option of item, description, quantity, unit price, discount if there is any, account, tax rate, and amount in USD. You can also change your, currency in Xero. So let's say that I actually sold an online service and I want to charge for that. So to add a new item, you simply click right here, click on new item, and then what you have to do is simply type in your item code and item name. So I'm going to call it session 1. And then we have unit price. So the unit price for this one was $50 for one. And then we have sales account. If you want to add a sales account, then you can simply go ahead and add it. Then you have a tax rate right here. So this is going to be the description as well. So I will simply click on save and a new item will be saved. So for a code, I'm just going to type in this and we will click on save. There you go. Now we have our item 1 and you can see this is the description. Quantity is 1. It was for $50. So that is why the amount is $50 right here. Now I can simply go ahead and change the quantity if I want to. Let's say that I actually sold five, sessions. So it will be multiplied by five. You can see right here. And this is going to be the total. Like as many items as you want to, you can add a new line, and a line contains a description, everything. And if you have like less than three, then you can simply add three, maybe one. So similarly, you will add other items. Once you have your invoice created, you will simply click on approve, or you can simply go ahead and save this one for later if you want to. So I'm going to click on approve, and you can see right here invoice approved. Now I can simply go ahead and add a date and everything, and this is now a invoice, a professional invoice that has been created. You can see this is how it looks, and I can go ahead and now send it as an email, print PDF, or maybe find other options such as edit or copy too. So this is how you simply create invoices in Xero. If we talk about the expense or bills to pay, let's go to bills to pay. So we have this bills option right here on Xero. What you can do is you can add your credit note right here. You can import and export your billing details. So I'm going to click on new bill, and it will allow me to add a new bill information right here. And it's quite similar to how we created an invoice. So you will simply add in from, and in from you can simply add your email address or your name. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in the contact right here. So we'll simply click on new contact, and a new contact will be created. Then of course we have a date, and then we have to select a due date, and for this one it's gonna be 1. Then we have reference, and again we have to create an item. You can simply click right here, click on new item, and a new item will be created. You simply give your item a code, then we have item name, and again unit price, tax rate, and click on save. And then of course your new item is created, and similarly you will be able to create your own bills. Again, if I go to business, then we have sales overview, we have purchase orders, we have expenses, claims, and checks. Here we have product and services. So all of these options will be available under business. If I go to accountings, in accountings we're getting our chart of accounts, we have balance sheet, then we have sales tax report, and we have reports right here. So I'm going to go to reports and show you that how the reports look on Xero. So you can see right here that we have all the reports right here, like our balance sheet, our sales tax report. You will be able to find everything right here, your financial performance, financial statements, payables and receivables right here, transactions and taxes and balances. So you can simply go ahead, check your all of your reports right here. You have home, you have custom, drafts, published, and archived. So all of the options are available here. You can find a report with this option. And then last is contact. You can simply go to all contacts, and you will be able to find all of the contacts that you have added right here. In order to create invoices and billing, we need different contacts. So to create a new contact, it's super easy. What you do is just simply click right here on new contact option, and then you simply type in their company name, person name, their email address, phone number, their website, postal address, street address, financial details. Everything is added right here. This is how we add a contact, and then we simply click on save, and a new contact is saved. So I have created this new contact right here, like entered all of the information. And now what I can do is open the contact, and then I will simply go to new, and I will be able to create a new invoice, bill, code, sales credit note, repeating bill, or purchase order for this contact right here. So we can access all of the features from contact option right here that is available. And you can simply go back to your all contacts, and you can see right here, you will also be able to see that what they owe you, like your invoicing and your billing right here, like what you owe them. And you can also create different groups and add your own list, import a list from your other platforms too. So when it comes to Xero, we're getting all of the options available. It's a pretty good accounting software with all of the features that allow you to create your own business and grow your business. You can create your own professional invoices, expenses, bills, and more. You will be able to get your own, reports and balance sheets with Xero. You can also create more than one workspace and add files. You can also create your demo company, projects, payroll, emails, and more. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use your accounting. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.